welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Shannon, and in today's video we are going to be doing a deep clean of my dishwasher. So I know a lot of people are not familiar with actually like cleaning the filter and like really getting in there and just sterilizing it. I know before I really started getting into like cleaning tips and cleaning hacks, I didn't know that either. So I just thought it would be cool to show you guys a step-by-step of how to sterilize and clean your dishwasher. So let's get started. Guys, do y'all see all this nastiness? This is all the food that does not get completely rinsed off and it gets in that filter. I'm so glad I'm going to be doing this weekly. And I just wanted to also note that everybody's dishwasher is different. So everyone's mechanisms and different components of the dishwasher are going to look different, but they're pretty much all the same. And you can actually look up your owner's manual for your dishwasher if you don't have a physical copy of it. You can Google it. You can put the part number as well as the name of your dishwasher in, and it will pull it up online if you need help like knowing how to take it apart. It's pretty simple. Like mine, you just have to pull it like clockwise to unlock it and then counterclockwise to tighten it back up when you're putting the filters back in. But it's pretty simple. So I just wanted to note that because I know some people were probably like, well, I don't have the same dishwasher as you, but you can definitely look it up online. and taught you guys how to deep clean your own dishwasher. I know that it can be kind of yucky because there was so much gunk in my filter, and honestly my dishwasher is about maybe 3 or 4 months new. I just got a brand new one, so it gets in there really quickly. It adds up really quickly. I actually looked it up and they recommend that you clean your filter at least once a week, so I'm gonna try to do that and keep up with it. It is a lot of work, but I mean, you don't want your dishes to be nasty and dirty and stinky, and plus the dishwasher gets super smelly from not cleaning it. So I'm gonna try to do it from now on. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe and share, and if you guys have any video requests, please let me know in the comments. I would love to make whatever you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.